Hello dear friends, the Happy Life chapter 159. The moment people resolve to modify their moral behavior for the better, they seem to encounter a general conspiracy against them. Everything changes and spins out of control. Minor things become complicated and the course of events takes a turn for the worse for a while. As a result, they give up. However, this is all natural. Every change must break with what has been the norm. In the moral arena, the reaction is even greater because it reaches down to the root of evil in order to pull it out so the balanced behavior may grow in its place. So do not give up on your plans for moral renewal and inner growth by virtue of the initial challenges. That is so true. And we have spoken about this recently, that every time we want to change something, it is very difficult at first because we are facing some pretty significant challenges. We have been behaving, we have been developing, nurturing some patterns in our lives for sometimes for a really long time. So when we decide that we want to change for better, we're going to have to acknowledge some resistance that comes from outside and some resistance that comes from within. Although there are parts of us that wants to change, there are certain part of us initially who still resist the change. So a lot of times we'll say, I want to change, and then next thing we're saying is, why can't I change if I want to change? Because the wanting is still not as deep, as solid as it needs to be to actually trigger a moral transformation. So you might need to work with time. One thing that's going to be essential is perseverance. For sure, if you give up, you'll never get there. So there's no option, there's no giving up. It's a process. Yes, we are going to fail many times, sometimes, depending on what we are addressing. And that's okay, as long as we are always getting up and pressing forward and moving on. So as she says, every change must break with what has been the norm. And sometimes, again, those patterns and behaviors have been the norm for us, what we have known. We know nothing different. That's how we have lived. That's the energy level that we have maintained ourselves. That's, although not always healthy, that's what we have been accustomed to. So to change that is tricky. It's scary sometimes. It requires that we get out of our comfort zone. It requires work. It requires trust. It requires perseverance. So it's a whole packet that goes into that. And in the moral arena, right, we're really trying to remove something that has not served us and replacing. So not only we have to be able to shed some light in the shadows, right? But we have to connect with the light. We have to develop. The light is within us, but we have to lit it. We have to make it shine so that it takes over the areas that are still in darkness within us. So the most important thing here for today, no matter where you are, what you're doing, what you're going through, is don't give up. Maybe you woke up and you're not feeling so well, you're not feeling so encouraged. I'm here to tell you, Joanna's here to tell you, Christ is here to tell you not to give up, ever. Not to give up on yourself, because God made you for success, for harmony, for peace, for love. You are all of that already, right? So just keep going forward. Things are gonna get better no matter what, but they will get better as long as you don't give up on your work of inner renewal. So have a great day, and let's all keep going. Remember, it's not easy, but it's definitely doable.